SW. My name is Eileen Fries.
And my name is Isa Berisha, and I work here as a project engineer for SW.
We're today here at the shop floor, so you will hear some sound around us. But I'm here to interview Isa right in front of the machine to find out more about the ABS housing. So Isa, tell us a little bit more about the BA04-42.
Yeah, right next to us the BA04-42, which means we have 4 spindles, we have 2 areas, a working area and a loading area. These 4 spindles are in a distance within 200 millimeters. These 4 spindles work simultaneous. That means the 4 spindles pick up a tool and start working simultaneous.
What is something that SW does with all the machines? It's also the same. Like we have the design principles. What are some of them that are also in this machine?
Yeah, it's a monoblock machine that guarantees a high stiffness. We have a high dynamic 3X unit with high speed, like up to 120 meters per minute. We have a very fast tool change pickup system, which allows us to change tools within 2.4 seconds. And so we're able to produce these kind of parts really with a high output within a very short cycle time.
There are some specialties, some challenges with this workpiece. Maybe we can talk a little bit about the process and the clamping positions as well.
Yes, sure. Usually the concept of a ABS housing is on a SW machine done on operation 1. We do a 3-side machining, which includes the motor bore and all other dimensions. Then we unclamp the part and put it within a reference in OP20, where the other 3 sides are finished, including, for example, the valves and all the specifications.
I know that there's something specific about the second operation. What is that?
Yes, there is something specific, and we are quite proud of it because we are the only one doing this with 4 spindles simultaneous. It's a deburring process. We do that with a tool with a milling ball, and if you get a close-up of this part, we get in with the tool, which is 2.5 millimeters, or depending as well on your product, could be even less, going in within the part and riding on the contour of the intersections. The intersections cause usually a burr, which might influence the ABS housing too bad, and therefore we did quite a lot of development to deburr like 90% of all the intersections. This is unique in the world, and this all with 4 spindles simultaneous.
At SW, we always have a solution not just for the machine, but for the full process, which shows that we go into detail and find the best solution for the customer, like this deburring. With this specific solution, you can load the raw part, machine the up 10, find a new clamping position, machine up 20 with the deburring, and when you unload it, you can wash the part or bring it into another process that is, specific to you, to your customer, to your needs. And our automation can handle whatever your needs of the process might be.
Yeah, with this deburring, you might not need any further deburring, and just like Eileen said, only a washing process and you're done. This guarantees a high stability of your process because the parts are not being unclamped or going to another further process, another machine. It's all done within the machine, on a SW machine, with 4 spindles simultaneous.
So we always have customers who say, what if there is one part that is not good in our, we bring it to our CMM room and we find out from all the 4 pieces or 8 pieces, there's one piece that doesn't fit our quality standards. What do we do?
I mean, to avoid a thing like this, we have a tool brake, inductive tool brake control, as we have on this part, especially a quite high number of tools with a diameter starting from 3.2, many tools 4 point something up to 6 and 7. So you won't hear when a tool like this breaks. So how to control that? We have our BRK, which is a SW product. It's done by an inductive control, and the machine would give out an alarm telling you, hey guys, there's a tool broken, please react.
The tool change is really simple, like all our machines. We have on the left side of the machine, the operator can just approach the window, use the panel, and change a tool while the machine is still machining. So you don't lose any time. We are all about efficiency, so including the deburring process, loading and unloading while it's getting machined. These are all things that will make your cycle time and your production time shorter while having a high output through the 4 spindles. Go ahead.
Exactly,
Sorry.
on a very small footprint. You don't need to buy 4 machines, buy one and get 4 spindles.
Yeah. Are there any other specifics you want to share with our listeners?
In case of, the parts are getting more and more complex, they are getting huger, implementing more and more functions. So we have a tool magazine that allows us to load up to 4 times 70 tools. This is something very special, still on the same footprint.
Thank you, Isa, for the interview.
You're welcome.
I hope our listeners enjoyed it, and if you have some of those work pieces in your production or you're looking into it, let us have a look as well. Maybe we can find a faster or better solution for you that you're looking at right now. Reach out to us via email or LinkedIn or whatever, and we hope to hear from you soon.
Looking forward to it. Thank you.